When I talk about a minimalist lifestyle or being more intentional, it's not to say at all that I don't believe kids should have things or that we shouldn't have things in our house that we enjoy and use. But I do find when I just keep the objects in my house that we really love, you focus on those things more. If you have too much
Mhm.
stuff in your house, it all gets lost. My kids don't like when I do this, but I'll have them go through the clutter in their rooms and they'll find things that they were missing. They'll rediscover toys that they used to love. And so I do think it's really helpful to actually spend time and sift through all the stuff.
Yeah, and it does take time, but once you get that under your belt, once you get that initial decluttering done, it's much easier to maintain the accumulation of things. It's not as vast. It's not as many things coming in because you have kind of done the hard work, and now you can just kind of address things as they're slowly coming in. And that's one thing that I try and stay on top of is anything that comes in, I try to address it right then and there before it really like has a home in my house. And that accumulation cycle, like kind of nipping it right then and there, like today, that's coming in today at the end of the school day or for the next birthday, you can address that stuff right then and there before it makes its way in and just sits in your home.